Have you ever been stuck with a dead phone, felt a need for a tool to make a quick repair, or found yourself stinking at the end of the day? Then you are not alone, but the good news is Everyday Carry can come to your rescue and save the day. And that's exactly what we're going to be discussing in this video, so let's go. Hi, my name is Ayan. On this channel, I help you find the right tools for your daily life adventures, and that's exactly what I want to discuss with you today. The daily life adventures, the struggle of a man leaving a home, going to work, going to meet someone, and finding yourself in a situation where you thought it's great if I would have picked a tool for me today. It would have been so much better if I had an extra power bank or just a small bottle of perfume so I could apply on myself and go to the next upcoming meeting. And everything like such falls in the category what we like to call it in the EDC community, the urban survival tools. So in this video, I not only want to suggest you some must-have item which should always be with you when you are leaving a home as a man, but also some good-to-have tools, some good-to-have accessories that you could throw in your bag or your sling or whatever you want to carry with you, and you could basically save the day for yourself or for the people around you. So let's start the video with the very first thing that I like to call it in-body carry. So apart from the obvious clothes, shoes and the regular accessories that you like to carry with you, two things when it comes to on-body carry which comes to mind is number one, the wristwatch. And it's really important for a man to be in control of their time, and wristwatch comes to the rescue. You can carry any watch for that matter. I don't want to judge people on the choices of the watch that they're making. But if you're going for an event which is semi-formal or formal, then highly recommend ditch the Apple or smart watches, the Galaxy watches, put them into use when it comes to fitness and tracking. But for those events, it's really recommended that you go for a good quality analog watch. You can invest in a Seiko or a Timex, and if you don't have that much budget, then definitely check out watches by HMT Hindustan Machine Tools. They make some phenomenal analog, automatic and quartz watches, and the prices are also really good. The second thing that comes to the in-body carry is your sunglasses. So pick a good quality sunglass that suits your face and looks good on you, and a sunglass is really important, especially during the summer season. And if like me, you got a prescription, then nowadays you can also get the sunglasses with prescription number. You can visit Lenskart or any modern store, and they will give you and make a sunglass for you with prescription, and that is highly recommended when it comes to on-body carry, especially in the summer season. So before we move ahead in the video, I want to quickly thank the sponsor of this video, and that is literally me. So earlier this year, I decided that the community in India for everyday carry and men's lifestyle is very, very small, and no one is making good quality products and products that we really need in the community. So I decided to make my own shop, make a lot of products and bring it to you people. The first product is launched on my website, apx.tools, the Akashia Vault. So this is the catch-all valet tray that will organizes all your everyday carry items and also desk accessories if you need that. Just put it in your wardrobe, your desk, or even in your doorway so you never forget the things that you want to take it with you for your everyday carry. It is available in glossy and matte finish. So check out apx.tools and buy yours using the code AP10 to get discount on your first orders. Now back to the video. Alright, moving towards the next category when it comes to urban survival is something I like to call in-pocket everyday carry. So in the in-pocket everyday carry, these are all the items that I highly recommend every man should have, starting from the number one thing, that is the handkerchief. And it's really important as a man that you carry a handkerchief with you. You don't have to go super expensive on the handkerchief. Just try to find a decent one, at least 100% cotton quality, which you can easily find in almost all the garment store or all in the superstore. They're not that expensive, but get at least half a dozen good quality handkerchief and always have a clean one ready to go whenever you are leaving your home. The next thing is your wallet, and nowadays I highly recommend every man to carry a slim minimalist wallet. Ditch your old bulky grandpa style wallet, and especially in today's time when we are living in a cashless economy, we are doing a lot of digital payments. Even if you're not carrying a lot of cash, then I would highly recommend invest in a slim wallet. I have made a full playlist on all the slim wallets that are available in India and abroad, so definitely check them out. So yeah, that is my wallet, the Indian Leather Company Stitchless 2.1. It's going a really strong, really good quality wallet. I highly recommend that every man in today's time should have a good quality full grain leather slim minimalist wallet. That is a part of your everyday carry. The next thing that I like to focus on is a key organizer. I hate carrying keys, but if you're carrying keys, then make sure they are not in a clunky keychain. That doesn't look good, doesn't look classy at all. Invest in a good quality key organizer, and that will save a lot of hassle with you. This one is the Orbit key organizer in leather, but you can also go for the cheaper alternatives. There are a lot of them. In fact, I have made a full video on different key organizers that are available for modern men. Definitely check out that video. I'll post a link in the description. The next thing that I recommend every man should put in their Urban EDC kit is a good quality pen. And I have been looking for a good quality pen, small pen, for a long time, and recently I discovered this one, the Submarine pen. It's not that expensive, it's just 100 rupees and it's super premium, writes really well, recommended by one of the member of Everyday Carry India subreddit community. So yeah, as always, all the products link will be in the description if you want to pick it out. The next thing that I would like to recommend in this category is every man should put a small multi-tool in their Everyday Carry kit. You never know what sort of situation would arise once you leave the home, and there should be some sort of tools that you have always handy with you. So this Victorinox Classic SD has a small scissor which is really amazing, and on the other side you have a small cutter and a filer and a pry bar and also a small screwdriver over here. This also has a small set of forceps that you could use for all sort of situation. And last but not the least, at the back it also has a washable toothpick which really comes handy if you're going for cafes and lunches and dinners and whatnot. And depending on your needs, you can go for different multi-tools. This is the one that I recommend for everyone because it's a really small form factor. If you want more functionality, then you could go for this one. This one is the Victorinox Mini Champ. It has a lot of tools. In fact, I have made a full video about it. And if you look closely in my wallet, there is another tool that I always keep with me. This one is the Victorinox card multi-tool. This also has a scissor, also has a small knife. In fact, it also has a small LED flashlight, a magnifying glass, and different type of screwdriver which comes in really handy for all sort of situation. And it's a very discreet, so I can keep it in my wallet and no one will ever know. I know a lot of people have complaints that they cannot take tools in metros and malls, but this one has never caught anyone's attention, so you can also try that out. So these were all the tools in my in-pocket category. Now let's move to the tech tools. When it comes to technology, there is no limit on how much things you can buy and you can add to your everyday carry. Depending on the situation, you can have a travel router, you can have multiple power banks, you can have a lot of USB cables, all sort of things that you can put in your everyday carry urban survival kit. But these are the two must-have that I recommend everyone should have. Starting from the first one in this category is a good quality wireless earphones, and this one is the AirPods 2nd generation. I know it's a bit expensive, you don't have to go in that route. You could get one from OnePlus, Samsung also makes one, but having these is a really life savior, especially when it comes with active noise cancellation, because on the go when I'm taking calls and I'm listening to music, I can completely cut off the noise from my surrounding and I could really focus on the things that are at my hands at the moment. The next thing in this category is a power bank. Especially if you're leaving a home for elongated time for multiple hours, then definitely carry a power bank. You never know what sort of situations or for how long you might be stuck into a traffic or any situations and you need an extra juice, so a power bank comes in really handy. This one is a MagSafe 10,000 milliamp hour power bank which I use with my iPhone, attaches magnetically and charges my phone almost 1.5 times, which is not bad for everyday situation. But yeah, as I mentioned, technology is very personal, so depending on your use case, feel free to adapt and add tools or remove tools in this category. Alright, so those are all the must-have tools that I recommend every man should have in their urban everyday carry survival kit whenever they're leaving the home. But I also like to focus on some of the good to have tools that could make your urban experience much better and also equip you with more tools to solve the problem. So starting from the first thing is a pocket knife. And I know a lot of people always question why I need to carry a pocket knife, but trust me, I have been carrying a pocket knife for almost more than a decade now and nothing comes close to when it comes to the utility of a pocket knife. I'm not saying to use it for self-defense, it's a worst tool when it comes to self-defense. I have said this many times, but for everyday regular errands, a pocket knife comes in really handy, scratching, prying, all sort of things. And if you want to start, I would highly recommend then take this Axis 65, the smaller brother of Axis 75. It's a really good knife by Solganak Decathlon. And in the multi-tool you also get some sort of a knife, so if you just want a small box cutter, then that is also okay. But yeah, that being said, always check the local laws. If they doesn't allow carrying you a knife, then don't go for one. Talking about the next thing in the good to have category is a everyday carry flashlight, and trust me, a flashlight is a very handy thing when it comes to situation of urban survival, especially in the night time. So this one is a Phoenix E18R version 2. I have made a full video on it. This one is a 1200 lumens flashlight and also has a SOS mode which basically flashes and can blind someone for 10 to 15 seconds. I don't carry it every day, but whenever I'm traveling outside of city, I always like to keep it with me as a backup because phone flashes are not that great. It is 1200 lumens, you won't get it in the phone, so that's why it's really important. The next thing in the good to have category is a small lighter, and I always recommend carrying a Zippo. A lighter is a really good tool, especially when it comes to starting a fire for any sort of situation, for survival, for whatever. Even to offer it to people during social situation when they're lighting their cigarettes, a lighter could come really handy even if you don't smoke. The next thing that I like to carry in my urban survival kit is a small pocket notebook, and this one is the passport size, the size that I really admire. I always like to journal on the go. I'm reducing the phone screen time, and this comes in really handy. It has also saved me a lot of time. For example, sometimes I have to just put my car in a parking situation for a few minutes to just quickly go and run an errand. Then what I do, I just put my number over there and put my number on the windscreen. So if my car is disturbing anyone and anyone wants it removed, they can call me and I can come there and deal with the situation. But yeah, if you want to give your number to anyone, if you want to share some notes, then you could really put in there, you tear the paper and give it to them. So it comes in really handy. Similarly, these multi USB cables comes in really handy along with the power bank. So this one is having a couple of USB-Cs, lightning adapter, full size USB. Same with this one, but in smaller form factor. So depending on which one you want, I will put the link in the description. But yeah, that also comes in really handy. And we also have a couple of sprays over here. So this one is my go-to perfume bottle, where I refill it with my favorite perfume for the day, and whenever I'm going out for longer time, it comes in really handy to keep me smelling good. And similarly, this one is a sanitizer bottle. This one is by a company called Zone Denmark, and over here I have filled the sanitizer. It's empty as of now, but usually I have not been taking sanitizer lately. But if I know I'm going in a situation where there will be a lot of density, then it's good to always have a sanitizer. Similarly, on this lines, one-time use wet wipes comes in really handy. I don't remember how many times they have saved the day. Sometimes you get splashes on your shoes, your expensive sneaker, then you could use them to clean sneakers. You can also use it to clean pollution off your face, all sort of things. So Whiz wet wipes are really good, single-time use. You could throw a few in your bag or whatever you are carrying. A padlock is something that comes in really handy. For example, if you are going in a dense population area, then you can lock your bag with it. If you have rented a bicycle, which I usually do whenever I'm traveling, then I can use it to lock my bike. If you're going to some gyms, they usually have a locker, but they ask you to bring your own lock. So it's not bad to always have a small padlock in your bag all the time. That's why I like to recommend it as good to have item. Last but not the least, you might be asking, there are so many items and how I will carry all of them, and that's a really good question. Because for that I recommend a sling bag or a fanny bag or whatever you like to prefer it, a crossbody bag. And the sling bag that I really like is this one, the Tom Talk sling, everyday carry sling. This could also take my iPad, my Game Boys and things like that, and everything fits in really well over here. In fact, I have made a full video of it and also of my Belroy Venture sling bag, so you can check it out. I will put the link in the description. And that being said, the last good to have item is, if you are already carrying a small sling bag for all this item, then why not throw a small AirTag as a tracking device over here. And yeah, that's why I also want to give a consolation mention to any tracking device like AirTag. If you are in Apple ecosystem, that makes it really easy for you to track your things if you have lost it, and gives you an extra peace of mind. Alright, so that brings us to the end of the video, and these were all the items that I suggest for every man to have when it comes to everyday carry urban survival situation. Good to have, must to have, everything is in there. But before you go, do check out this quick video where I showcased every item that every man should have in their bedroom, and this video where I showcased every tech item, some high-tech gears that I have in my tech pouch. Thank you for staying till the very end, and I'm gonna see you in the next one.